What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're breaking down Photoshop 2026 version 27.6, the real new features that matter. No fluff, no boring patch notes, only tools that make editing faster, cleaner and smoother. Let's go. Number 1, rotate objects directly on canvas. Finally, now you can rotate selected objects directly on the canvas without awkward transform steps. Just click, drag, and adjust naturally. This sounds small, but it saves constant frustration. Perfect for thumbnails, composites, and product edits. Learn how to turn a pixel layer into a rotatable 3D object with Rotate Object in Adobe Photoshop on desktop. Rotate a selected layer on the canvas to view it from different angles and adjust its orientation. Select Transform Image, press Command+T on Mac and Control+T on Windows. Rotate Object from the contextual taskbar or Edit and select Rotate Object. Drag on the canvas to rotate the object. Use the on-canvas controls to adjust the rotation or select Rotate or Tilt from the contextual taskbar. You can also refine the rotation in the Properties panel. Select Done to apply the rotation. Number 2, find and remove distractions instantly. Photoshop can now better detect distractions in your image and remove them fast. People in background, trash on street, random objects. One-click cleanup is getting scary good. Learn how to remove unwanted wires, people, and other distractions from your photos using the Remove tool in Adobe Photoshop on desktop. You can remove unwanted wires. Select and open an image. Select Remove tool from the Tools panel. Then, find distractions from the Options bar. Select Wires and Cables and wait while Photoshop automatically removes the wires. You can remove People Open to select and open an image. Select Remove tool from the Tools panel. Then find distractions from the Options bar. Select people and wait while Photoshop detects people. Review and refine the detected areas. Select the checkmark icon to commit the change. Number 3, clean up your layers panel faster. Adobe made layers management quicker and cleaner. If your projects usually look like chaos with 100 random layers, this helps organize faster and find what matters. Huge productivity win for serious creators. Number 4, more partner AI models. Adobe added access to more partner AI models. That means more control, more styles, and more options when generating content. Smart move by Adobe, they know one AI model isn't enough anymore. Explore more partner AI models for greater control over generative results. Choose Gemini 3, Nade 2.1 with Nano Banana 2 to fine-tune how content is generated and better match your creative intent. Now you can add reference image on Nano Banana partner model. Reference image for partner models, Adobe Models, Firefly Image 5, Firefly Fill and Expand, Firefly Image 1. Partner models, Gemini 3, 1 with Nano Banana 2, Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 2, 5 Nano Banana, FLux 2 Pro, and FLux 1 Context Pro. Enter a text prompt describing what you want to generate or leave it blank to let Photoshop seamlessly fill the selection using surrounding pixels. Select Generate, then choose a variation from the Properties panel. Number 5. Better Generative Fill plus Firefly Image 5. This is the headline feature. Generative Fill now feels smarter, faster, and more realistic using Firefly Image 5. Expect cleaner edges, better lighting, stronger realism, more useful results, less fake AI junk, more professional output. Edit more intuitively and get more realistic results with Generative Fill and Firefly Image 5. Describe your edits using natural language instructional prompts using the Firefly Image 5 model with Generative Fill and get high-quality, precise results. Number 6. Faster Actions Panel. The Actions panel is now streamlined, meaning repetitive edits can be triggered faster. If you batch edit, make thumbnails daily, or run client work, this saves hours monthly. Apply common edits faster with the Streamlined Actions panel. Browse, preview, and apply actions with an updated Actions panel. Quickly access categories, preview effects on hover, and customize actions. In the Essentials tab, browse and select a category, basic adjustments, subject and background, creative effects, guides, resize, and export. Number 7. Remove reflections from photos. This one is huge. Now, Photoshop can remove unwanted reflections from photos. Glass windows, glasses, display cases, mirrors. What used to be painful manual work is now much easier. Remove unwanted reflections from photos. Remove reflections from images shot through glass and generate a clearer result, with options to control output quality and separate the reflection and image on different layers for non-destructive editing. Number 8. Text automatically adapts to shapes and paths. Text tools got smarter. Now text adjusts automatically to shapes and paths more smoothly. Great for logos, posters, social posts, packaging, and creative typography. Make text adapt automatically to shapes and paths. Use dynamic text to resize and reflow text within shapes like circle, arch, and bow as you adjust layout and positioning. Dynamic text types block text scales and reflows to fit within a rectangular bounding box. Circle. Text follows a circular path and scales between defined start and end points. Arch. Text follows an upward curving path and scales between defined points. Bow. Text follows a downward curving path and scales between defined points. Block scales and reflows text to fit within the bounding box. Circle, arch, and bow position text along a curved path, scaling it to span between defined start and end points of the shape. This is all about Photoshop 27.6 workflow update. That matters more. Adobe focused on saving time, reducing friction, and improving AI quality. That's what professionals actually need. Which feature are you using first? Comment below. And if you want Photoshop 2026 tutorials, AI tricks, and creator workflows, subscribe now. See you in the next one.